Well, 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 what do we have here? This is a fully refurbished Halda portable typewriter that I had the pleasure of working on. And it got the works. Completely disassembled and cleaned and brought back to factory fresh. Clean, clean, clean. Very clean. New platen from J.J. Short. The only thing that's kind of off on it is this label is faded, but that's just how these Haldas go. It'd be nice to get a new one from somebody in Sweden, but you know, it's just the way it is. It's a pretty clean machine. There are some like looks like ink stains or carbon paper stains, and you can only scrub these things so hard before you start to lose the paint and the crinkle. It'll kind of smooth itself out. So I was able to get most of the blemishes out of the machine with just scrubbing. And this is an Australian machine, came from Sydney. It's good to go. Very good machine. Nice typing action. I've said it before tons of times, you guys get your hands on a Halda, because man, these things are good. Good. I almost bought this one, but somebody else got it and sent it to me for fixing. I'm gonna put it away for now. Type on it tomorrow.